Hey everyone! Welcome back to Flavorsome Foods. Today I want to share my pepper jelly salmon recipe with you that is crisp on the outside and juicy and flaky on the inside. I am very excited for this recipe. It's easy to put together and I love the simple ingredients. Start by preheating your oven to broil. Line a baking sheet with foil and lightly grease with a cooking spray. Do not use a glass baking dish for this recipe as it cannot be heated past 470 degrees Fahrenheit. Place about half the pepper jelly into a microwave-safe bowl and heat for about 30 seconds. Season the salmon with salt and pepper to taste. Pour the pepper jelly over the salmon and using a spoon, spread evenly to coat it entirely. Broil for 20 to 25 minutes. I like to let my salmon scorch at the top so the jelly gets nice and crisp. Strain the grapefruit and mandarin to remove the juice. Look how beautiful the salmon looks when it's cooked. Now you can enjoy this without adding the fruit. Simply spread a little more pepper jelly over the salmon and serve it. I like to take it to the next level and add the grapefruit and mandarin. The salmon is sweet with a hint of spice from the pepper jelly. The grapefruit adds that little bit of bitterness to it, and the mandarin adds some tang. I also sprinkled some dill on top for a little extra color. This tastes amazing with rice, or we enjoy it with some mashed potatoes and a salad. I hope this recipe becomes a new family favorite for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other great recipes, and I will see you in my next video.